Welcome to All Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into an in-depth look at the Ashok Leyland Dost plus Van 10-seater 2025, a reliable, spacious, and efficient passenger vehicle designed for businesses, schools, and transport services. If you're looking for a comfortable and fuel-efficient van with strong performance and a durable build, this might be the perfect choice for you. The Dost Plus Van 2025 is based on the trusted Dost Plus platform, which is known for its rugged build quality and low maintenance cost. It is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing 80 horsepower and 190 newton meters of torque, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. The BS6 compliant engine meets modern emission norms while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. With a 5-speed manual transmission, driving this van is easy, even in city traffic or on highway. The power steering adds to the convenience, making it comfortable for long drives and daily operations. Inside, the Dost Plus 10-seater van offers a spacious and well-designed cabin. The high roof and wide body allow ample headroom and legroom, ensuring passenger comfort. The 10-seat configuration makes it ideal for school transport, employee shuttles, and commercial travel services. Each seat is well padded and comes with seat belts for added safety. The large windows provide good visibility and ventilation, making long journeys more pleasant. When it comes to safety, Ashok Leyland has ensured that the Dost Plus Van 2025 is equipped with essential safety features. The van comes with front disc brakes, a reinforced body structure, and seat belts for all passengers. Additionally, there is an optional ABS variant, which improves braking efficiency and stability on slippery roads. The strong suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even when fully loaded. These features make the van a safe and reliable option for both drivers and passengers. One of the key selling points of this van is its fuel efficiency. With an optimized diesel engine, the Dost Plus van provides excellent mileage, reducing the running costs for businesses. Whether used for commercial transportation or daily commuting, this van is built to save money on fuel while delivering strong performance. The maintenance costs are also low, thanks to Ashok Leyland's extensive service network and high-quality components. On the exterior, the Dost Plus Van 2025 features a modern and functional design. The bold front grille, sleek headlamps, and sturdy bumper give it a professional look. The sliding door makes passenger entry and exit easy, which is especially useful for schools and commercial transport services. The rear of the van features prominent tail lights, a strong bumper, and a large rear door for additional accessibility. The overall design is practical yet stylish, making it stand out in the commercial van segment. The dashboard is designed for ease of use and driver comfort. The controls are intuitively placed, and the digital instrument cluster provides real-time data on speed, fuel efficiency, and engine performance. An optional air conditioning system is available for added comfort, making the van suitable for all weather conditions. The seating layout can also be customized based on the owner's needs, making it a versatile choice for different types of businesses. For businesses looking for a durable and cost-effective passenger transport solution, the Ashok Leyland Dost plus Van 10-seater 2025 is a strong contender. It offers a balance of power, space, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for fleet operators, schools, and transport companies. The low maintenance costs, strong service network, and fuel efficiency make it a great long-term investment. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All Auto Reviews for more detailed vehicle insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Dost Plus Van 2025. Would you consider it for your business? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.